Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create gradient neon light bar and create a rectangle shape on black background. Apply gradient overlay from layer styles. Use pink and cane strokes in editor. Set style to linear and set angle 0 degree. Duplicate the shape and blur it slightly. Now change blend mode to screen. This increase glowing edges. Add inner glow for concentrated brightness. Duplicate again and stretch horizontally. Now you have a neon light bar. Add small particles for atmosphere. These gradients mimic real neon tubes, perfect for futuristic banners or reels. Add a dark vignette to enhance glow. Your neon looks for ultra